Hey everyone, Quantum here. Need something new in your browser? Try this YouTube theme changer. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser, and then go to Extensions and follow these steps. Search for Customize YouTube. Select Maximum Color Changer for YouTube. You can choose any color themes you want. If the color you chose doesn't load, try to refresh your browser. You can also choose a custom color for header, sidebar, and content color. See? It looks better. Since we're here on this page, you can check my channel for other customizations for desktop and Android. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more customization content.